I lost 70 pounds naturally and have been keeping it off for years. So here is what I started with this morning. I had some fresh watermelon, which I am still able to find at Costco here in Colorado. It has been so good. Of course, Nacho always gets his piece. He loves melon. Then I straightened up. I made my bed. I make my bed every single day. I just feel like it's the right way to start my day. Then I got on to some of the projects I have been working on around the homestead. And then I moved on to what I like to call my second breakfast with all these gorgeous autumn fruits. And I had this big autumn bowl with pears and pomegranate and oranges and grapes. It was so good. So then I started to pull down my fall decorations because your girl cannot wait any longer to pull out the Christmas stuff. So then for lunch, I made my raw kava bowl with my raw falafel and my lemon herb tahini dressing, which is so good. This recipe will be in my raw 10-day jumpstart guide that will be available for you guys on Saturday. Then I had to run down into the city about 40 minutes away for my daughter's practice. So while she practiced, Nacho and I walked for about an hour. And then when we got home, I had some of this yellow dragon fruit, which is my favorite of all the dragon fruits, and some green grapes. And then I got in my regular sauna session. Then I made the Japanese Nourish Bowl out of my newest weight loss guide and cookbook, Plantifully Simple, which is in stores and still $10 off on Amazon. I'll show you guys a video for that this week too if you want. Then I finished the day with some popcorn and watched the Anne of Green Gables show with my youngest.